Carlos Rodriguez is a lifelong resident of West Chula Vista. He serves as chair of the Community Outreach Committee for the Chula Vista Revitalization Committee's Envision Broadway campaign. Their goals include the implementation of crime prevention through environmental design principles and addressing alcohol-related concerns that are creating a negative impact along the Broadway corridor. Carlos participated in a community cleanup along Broadway where hundreds of mini bottles and other alcohol-related waste was collected. Then he presented the results at an Envision Broadway business and community mixer. Carlos didn't stop there. He also addressed the Chula Vista City Council, urging it to partner with the committee to address these issues. He also met with representatives from other cities in the South Bay to learn about successful upstream solutions that would be useful for Broadway. Carlos has personally conducted outreach to dozens of business owners along Broadway to spread the news about the Revitalization Committee and recruit new members. He urges them to work together to make the neighborhood safer and more attractive for all the new customers coming their way when the Gaylord Pacific Resort and Convention Center opens on the Bayfront. Carlos likes to help the restaurants along Broadway by promoting their businesses. He has recorded videos highlighting these hidden gems and posted them on social media with the theme of Community Matters. Thanks to his efforts, we can be sure that DUIs, alcohol sales to minors, and other dangerous conditions along Broadway are sure to improve, making the Broadway area cleaner and safer for all. Thank you, Carlos.
Remember, more than ever, community matters. Have a great day.
Dana Klein teaches English at Claremont High. She has become a valued community partner of North City Prevention Coalition. Here's why we're honoring her work. Every fall, freshmen in Claremont High's Academy of Health and Medical Sciences work on a semester-long project called Sugar to Heroin. In their English and body science classes, they learn how different substances impact users and those around them. Students hear from guest experts on different substances, including alcohol, tobacco, opioids, and marijuana. Working in teams, the students pick a substance ranging from sugar to heroin and research how it affects users, their family, and their community. The project includes a field trip to the local DEA office. They make infographics, informational cards like you would see in a doctor's office or clinic.
Each team creates a website with an interactive page that shows how drugs are taken and how they affect the user's body. And finally, the students present their projects to the rest of the student body in a town hall that includes a panel discussion. Sugar to Heroin's reach extends off campus via TV news. This gives the students a taste of media advocacy, and when they see how the story turns out, there's a dose of media literacy as well. And students have presented their projects to the Claremont Town Council and at our own NCPC coalition meetings. Sugar to Heroin was honored by the Red Ribbon Coalition, earning the Outstanding Prevention Program Award for 2022. We look forward to supporting Ms. Klein and the Academy of Health and Medical Sciences next fall.
Hello everyone! Today we are shining a spotlight on one of our community partners with Say San Diego, Iva Boykins. Iva is a culinary artist with Kitchens for Good that works with non-alcoholic beverage creations. Iva says, "People are always happier when they have a drink in their hands. That feeling of joy inspires my craft. My mission as a mixologist is to spark that same response without relying on alcohol." Iva started her partnership with Say when she signed up to provide mocktails for the collective's silent disco events. The collective's mission is to create a safer, more inclusive world for members of the LGBTQ+ community, which aligns with Iva's passion for cultivating safe and healthy social gatherings. I'm aware of the slick alcohol marketing campaigns directed towards LGBTQ+ individuals, while so many are emotionally vulnerable to substance use. Look at these two mocktails from the last silent disco. This is a Poppin' Pisces, and this is Stargazer. My creative process is inspired by the extra fun touches, Iva says with a wink. I call my company Queen's Signature Quenches. If it isn't fit for a queen, I'm not making it. Thank you, Iva, for your work to provide more options for folks to connect and celebrate with us. Catch her at the Collective's next silent disco.
My name is Nick Nunez. I'm a lieutenant with the Oceanside Police Department, currently assigned to investigations and oversee our special enforcement section. I just want to say the Oceanside Police Department prioritizes training and believe having well-trained managers and employees who serve or sell alcohol assist us in promoting public safety. We also value our partnerships with other stakeholders in the city and appreciate the partnership we have with the Vista Community Clinic. We thank them for their assistance in helping us to get letters to every on and off sale alcoholic beverage licensee in the city of Oceanside.
Here we are again at the Alcohol Policy Panel to tell you about one of our favorite subjects, the TURN Behavioral Health Services North Inland Substance Use Prevention Youth Advocacy Coalition. We call it YAC. Here you'll see Nuvia and Amaris working on the design for the Office and Traffic Safety Project to educate alcohol retailer businesses in Escondido. You'll also notice that Jackie and Natalie are doing their part to make sure that the project lines up with the research. And check out Amaris and Frank heading up a DUI prevention rally with some Escondido high school students. Here are Kimberly's hands while she's doing research for the OTS project in Fallbrook, and some more YAC arriving at the San Marcos campus to put up prevention posters. And how about this photo at the Red Ribbon Luncheon, where YAC members are promoting the hashtag Be Responsible campaign, designed to raise awareness that it's everyone's responsibility to protect youth from underage alcohol access and use. Hey, take a look at YAC in Fallbrook, yakking it up at another DUI prevention rally, and Moises posting a hashtag Be Responsible campaign poster at the Fallbrook Library. Please give the North Inland Substance Use Prevention YAC a thunderous round of applause for their work in our region to prevent underage alcohol access and use.
The IPS East County team would like to recognize the Mountain Empire School District. It began in 1923 and today is made up of 4 elementary schools, a middle school, and a high school, with an alternative education program for grades 7 through 12. The Mountain Empire region is vast and rural, with open countryside stretching out to the Imperial County line along the Mexican border. We would like to highlight the district for providing a school wellness council which recognizes the link between a student's health and how it impacts their learning. The council supports student wellness through health education, physical education and activity, health services, nutrition services, psychological and counseling services, and a safe and healthy school environment. It encourages staff wellness while involving parents, guardians, and the community, reinforcing student understanding and appreciation of a healthy lifestyle. We would also like to thank the school district for participating in the Mountain Empire Community Collaborative, bringing community members and service providers together monthly. IPS East County thanks you for your great work helping to prevent potential issues that can lead to substance use disorders and binge and underage drinking.